Okay guys, I know you're eagerly awaiting. You cannot wait to learn about the middle clouds, right? So there are three of those guys, three middle clouds. The first one I think is a beautiful type of cloud, right? You can kind of see right here. It's called the alto cumulus. So remember that cumulus is like a big piece of cauliflower. This doesn't look like cauliflower. Instead, these are little pieces of cloud, right? And they're all sort of broken apart from each other. And they're actually referred to not necessarily as clouds, but cloudlets, right? They're just little pieces, not something huge, but a little cloudlet, which I think is a lovely way to describe them. And these alto cumulus clouds sometimes are shaped like almonds. They can be made of water or they can be made of ice. But that's the most important thing to remember, is that they're the middle lying and they are in cloudlet form instead of one big piece. And like I said, it almost looks like little almonds floating around. And then we have the alto stratus, okay? Again, once we see stratus, we know, all right, here we go again with those layers and layers and layers of clouds that kind of just block out all of the joy. And these alto stratus clouds are known as the steady eddy of clouds. All right, so whereas the cumulonimbus is sort of the king, like the Darth Vader, there's all kinds of severe weather. That weather has a tendency to kind of come in and go out. These clouds produce rain and a lot of it, or precipitation and a lot of it. They don't go away quickly. All right, so they're there. It's a continuous amount of precipitation. So that's why they're called steady eddy. They just kind of hang, don't do anything really remarkable, just kind of do one thing, all right? And then eventually they'll subside, but it may take a few days. And then the last one is the nimbostratus. And here we go. All right, so the nimbostratus, again, is, you can see that almost foggy-like appearance to it. And it's again, that layered cloud formation that also is a rain producer, okay? And it can also be water or ice, okay? All right, this one's gonna end, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start the ones in the highest part of the atmosphere. Okay, see you in a second.